Nega tho mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV ni tondu wa kuoya mathaa maku na gukorwo kinyitanira hamwe na ithui thiini wa Kiheo Kabiru hwaini wa umuthi tukorwo tukikumenyithia maria matinda makihanika thiini wa metha itu ya mohoro maria tukuhaririirie nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani na akimutwathiriri na njira ya ciko etagwo Sharon wa Gicuhi na tukembiriria thiini wa riboti itu ya mbere ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni ateteire mubango wa Linda Mama uria wambiriirie hindi ya wathani wa President Uhuru Kenyatta akiuga ati mubango ucio niguo wagirithitio na gutugwo kana gukorwo gituo mubango wa Linda Jamii aritio akionekana gutetera President Uhuru Kenyatta kumana na gukirirwo kuria akoretwo agiukirirwo ni undu wa miario yake ya gukirira thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. President aritio hindi ya kirugorio uria ukorirwo kihanika university ni umwe wa Muingi county ya Kajiado.
They left us with 30 billion fictitious NHIF debt. Out of that debt, Linda Mama debt under NHIF inpatient was 4.8 billion. Outpatient was 306 million. In total, my good friend, my former leader, you have left us with 5.6 billion Linda Mama. You should thank us. We did not look for the money. We did not went to public rallies and said you left us. You left us with many debt. But today, because you started it, Linda Mama left a debt with us, Your Excellency.
And maybe use this occasion to the defense of my former boss, the former president, to defend him that we should be a bit magnanimous to him. He did time, led our country, and the Linda Mama program was a great program. We developed it under the Jubilee administration, under the leadership of President Uhuru. We learned a lot from the Linda Mama program, and because of the experiences, because of the lessons learned from the Linda Mama program, we designed the Linda Jamii program, which was an improvement from the Linda Mama program. So Linda Mama was good. Linda Jamii is obviously better. And therefore, it is an improvement from what it was in terms of the scope, from just delivery of mothers, which was the primary target of Linda Mama. We've now improved it to cover prenatal, before the delivery, postnatal, the delivery itself, postnatal, and it's no longer targeting Mama. It is targeting Jamii. Mama plus the children plus the household. The figures have also increased in terms of benefits. Actually, the figures have doubled from 2,000, between 2,000 and 2,500 to now 10,000 to 30,000. So we have enhanced the program, but we must accept that we learned the lessons from Linda Mama. That's why we designed a better Linda Jamii program.
Tugetigana na cigi urigiti ni ati mwiri wa mundu umwe wa ukuru wa miaka 21 kuma bururi wa South Sudan ni ukoretwo kirutu iria-ini ria Naikuru na undi thutha wa igeria ria andu a family na andu a unyitanirine na maafitha a borithi ukorwo rikiringa ihiga. March Mayen Anyeth ta uria akurikanite na uria arari muruto wa form 3 ari na arata ake guthie gutega thamaki iria-ini riu niguo akorirwo agitungana na mutino ucio na kuri andu a family makorirwo makimenyithia maafitha a borithi na mihango ya gwethana na mwiri wake ikiambiriria. Mwiri wake riu ni wonekete na gukinya nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri guku andu a family magioka kukurana.
Mr. Mach, a young man, South Sudanese by the name Mach Anywe, has left home by 7:30 p.m. on the 26th. And people at home haven't known where he was. Until later on the 27th, we were being informed by his friends, a Kenyan young men, 4 of them. According to the information we were told, that they were with his friend at the time he went missing. We were later on informed he has drowned in Lake Nakuru. After that, I rushed to the police station. We booked a report of a missing person. Later on, we got a real information from the friend, of which they have also booked the report with the Moriki police station. It is too early for us to tell you whether there were anything. We have left that to the investigating team to inform us exactly what has transpired. For now, the stage that we are in, that we have found the body of Mach, clearly identified by the relative, that is exactly the body of the late Mach Anywe. There is nothing short of respecting the rule of law, and that's what I will tell all the South Sudanese and other Kenyans. Indeed, Mach was very friendly to Kenyans. To some extent, he knows more Kenyan than the South Sudanese. And that's what I can also tell the young men from the Kenyan people, that indeed you should respect the rule of law. When we are told not to enter to the parks without authority, you must abide by the rules.
Kogena kuo thirikari ya kaunti ya Siaya ni endekithĩtie mĩario gatagati kao na rũhonge rwa watho wa barabara rwa Kera nĩguo gũkorwo makĩarĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ waki wa barabara gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu. Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Bondo Mr. Vincent Kanyangonda augĩte atĩ gavana wa kaunti James Orengo nĩ akoretwo na mĩario na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa Gĩthumo Engineer Kenneth Ochieng Odinga na nĩguo gũthondeka barabara gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu. Kanyangonda nĩ ongereire na kuga atĩ barabara imwe mwena ũcio nĩrĩkĩtie gũthondekwo ta barabara ya Bondo na Ngo gũthiĩ mwena wa Lunda gũkorwo na nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kiuga atĩ thirikari nene nĩ bataire gũkorwo ĩkĩingĩrĩra mĩhang'o-inĩ yayo.
This arrangement of maintaining these roads and opening new roads is arrangement which has been negotiated by our governor, His Excellency James Agri Orengo Senior Council, as he has been trying to get partners to ensure that the development in all the areas, and specifically now in the infrastructure of the roads, are improved. So we have a master plan for development of roads, opening new ones and tarmacking even the old ones, like Bondo Leunda. The procurement for tarmacking it is at advanced stage. If I can take it from what I'm hearing, it is at an advanced stage. But before it is tarmacked, it must be maintained so that the usage continue to be friendly to the people.
Hii barabara imetusumbua sana tangu nizaliwe, iko tu hivi. Sasa hii naona inajaribu kutengenezwa, lakini tulikuwa tunafikiria inapigwa lami. Juu ilianza huko na ikasimama. So tunaomba serikali kuu na serikali ya county, ili kama wanaweza tusaidia watengeneze barabara. Insecurity ni mbaya juu ya hii barabara. Lakini sasa hii naona vile inatengenezwa isiachwe tu hivi. Waitengeneze, waweke lami ifike Sirongo, ili watu waendeshaji wa pikipiki pia wapate kuendesha pikipiki kwa amani.
Mimi ni wa biashara, na ukienda kutafuta mali hata Bondo, shida ndio hiyo, transport iko juu. Hata kama unafanya biashara haiwezi enda vizuri. Sasa tunaomba county government yetu atusaidie kutengeneza barabara. Hata kama tumetoka hapa tukienda Nango, barabara iko sawa. Hata tukirudi hakuna insecurity. Tuko kwa mzuri, tuko kwa condition nzuri. Hata ukienda kutafuta mapato yako, unarudi ukiwa sawa. Mambo ya mambo ya mambo ya usalama kila mara hatuwezi kaa nayo. Sasa tunaomba serikali atusaidie. Vile wameanza kutengeneza haitakusaidia sana, lakini inatakikana waweke lamu.
Beũ njĩthĩ kana arĩa makũrĩkanĩte na rĩtwa rĩngĩ Gen Z nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gũthing'ĩrĩrio kwĩyandĩkithia ta ahũri a kura na nĩguo kũgĩa na mweke wa gũgathura atongoria arĩa makwenda gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnene gĩũkĩte kĩa mwaka wa 2027. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya waki thukuru-inĩ wa mũthingi wa Sikinga gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Bumula, mũmbunge wa Boka Wamani nĩonanĩtie kũmakio nĩ itua rĩa spika wa bunge Moses Wetangula rĩa gũcenjia mũbango wake wa kũrũĩrĩra gĩturwa kĩa president. Munini wa commissioner wa Bumula Hadaya Abdalla augĩte atĩ o Mũkenya arĩ na kĩhoto gĩa gũikia kura na kũrĩa orĩtie aikari gũkorwo makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene kuoya kura.
Nimeita Wangasa, they are scattered.
Kama wewe uko na ID na wewe hauna voter registration ujaregister na usima hoje. Mimi nataka Bumula tukue na kura 1,100. Kura 1,000 ngapi? 100. Hapa mbele tunataka kupangana maneno ya siasa. We want our vote to count. Nyinyi mmepiga kura kutoka 1963. Kenya hii hakuna Muluya amepanda. Wale viongozi tumekuwa nao ni kutuambia mimi ndasimama next election. Ikifika katikati anasema hiyo hapana, ndasimama ile ingine. Ikifika anasema hiyo hapana, ile ingine. Paka wamezeeka, wamekuwa 8 years. Sasa nataka mchukue kura. Tumekuwa juzi na ndugu yangu Speaker Moses Wetangula. Akasema yeye atakuwa rais 2032. Sasa ameruka. Amesema ati 2027 ati anajipanga. Atakuwa rais 2032. 2032 ndugu yangu Speaker atakuwa 8 years.
Unfortunately tangu asubuhi nimekuwa na officer wa IEBC ameniambia hakuna hata mtu mmoja ameenda kuregister. Hakukuwa na mtu hata mmoja ameenda kujisajili. So tutamrudisha mbunge kwa njia gani? Hello? Tutarudisha mbunge kwa njia gani? Maneno peke yake yatampatia kura? Si lazima tushike kura. Kwa hivyo nawasihi, let us take advantage of this period. Tujisajili kama unataka kubadilisha yote. Unaweza kuwa ulikuwa umejisajili but ulikuwa unaishi kwingine na sasa umehamia hapa, pia utabadilisha.
Na riboti ĩyo ĩgiĩ wĩyandĩkithia wa kura ĩgũtũhe mweke wa kwamba gũkorwo tũgĩikĩria ndũgathi haraya tũkorwo tũgĩcokereria gũkũmenyithia mangĩ maingĩ.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Uri wakinya handu ugatua matua ma gucenjia muturire waku rimwe wanakorwo na ihinda ria gwicurania na kuona ati muturire waku ndurathie na mbere uria kwagiriire. Matua nomo mangigukinyia kuria waneririria, no ni mabataraga guthingatithio na kurumio.
Itanagira na ni MC John wa githomo gikurehera andu manatua matua muturire-ini na itumi cia gutua matua mau.
Turakurehera tabarira ya muthingi wigue uria matua mangi manateithia aria mana matua na kumagarurira muturire. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici-inĩ citũ Rwesambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Hihi nĩ ũrĩ waikio ngono nĩ abithaa wa birithi na ndũmenya kũnyitĩra kĩ? Atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ũĩ ihoto ciaku na hihi nĩ ũĩ atĩ wagi wa ũmenyo ndũngĩkũgitĩra kĩwatho?
Gatiba na watho wa bũrũri irabatara ũtaũku wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ. Ona kũrĩ ũguo nĩ tũrĩkoragwo na gĩikaro na mawakiri matiganĩte tũgĩkũhe mweke wa gũkũrana ũrĩa watho ugĩte igũrũ rĩgiĩ ihoto ciaku, na oho tũgagũthomithia maũndũ marĩa ũbatiĩ na ũtabatiĩ gwĩka kĩwatho. Tũgagũteithia gũthathaũra ũrĩa watho ũroiga ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ ũramati na ũgai wa indo, wandĩki wa will na ũrĩhi wa magoti gatagatĩ ka mangĩ maingĩ.
For the first time nĩ tũkũreheire tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩgĩkuruhania maũndũ maya mothe. Tabarĩra ĩno ya mwanya ũkareherwo nĩ Francis Wairura. Nĩ mũthenya wa kana ga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ĩni nĩ kĩgoco kĩmũrutio
nĩguo ndĩinaga kĩhindĩra mũthamaki.
Nyitanagĩra na niĩ MC John wa gĩthomo and the band.
Nĩguo ndĩinaga haleluya kĩhindĩra mũthamaki ũrĩa nyenda.
Ririkana nĩ o mũthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginya thaa 5 cia ũtukũ.
Mbeũ ya Ngai ndĩũmaga, mbeũ ya Ngai ndĩũmaga, mbeũ ya Ngai ndĩcinagwo nĩyo, mbeũ ya Ngai ĩtũũragio no Ngai.
Na ningĩ no tũrũmĩrĩre nenda-inĩ citũ Kiheo TV na yakwa kĩũmbe John wa gĩthomo official.
Nĩguo ndĩinaga kĩhindĩra mũthamaki ũrĩa ũnyenda mũno.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩtwacokereria kũnyita ũgeni ikereka-inĩ rĩa kerĩ na minista wa ũrĩmi Mutahi Kagwe nĩ akoretwo agĩtarĩria ũhoro wĩgiĩ wagi wa iria na ũkũria wa iganda cia iria. Mutahi Kagwe augĩte atĩ nĩguo gĩkinyanĩria wendia mwega wa iria nja wa bũrũri nĩ itemi rĩa arĩmi gũkorwo magĩteanĩria ũkũria wa irio cia mahiũ irĩ na aflatoxin na kũhĩmbĩria irio iria ikinyanĩire. Mutahi augĩte atĩ ũrĩmi ũyũ nĩ ũkoragwo ũkĩhutia na njĩra nene mahiũ na makĩria ng'ombe cia gũkamwo.
Katika unyunyizaji wa maji itakuwa si rahisi kukua, hakuna maji inapotea hata kiwango kwa sababu ya mambo mbalimbali. Mifereji inatoboka, saa zingine tunatumia hiyo maji kufanya backwashing ama kuosha mifereji yetu. Kwa hivyo lazima maji at least ile tumetoa itakuweza kufikisha yote. Serikali kupitia kwa taasisi ile ambazo zinaweza ku regulate mambo ya maji inaitwa WASREP, wao wamepeana idadi ya maji iliyopotea ikue 25%, 25%. So tukiangalia tofauti ya hiyo 25% na ile 32% ambayo tuko nayo, tunaona kuna 7% kama ambayo inapotea. Na ukiangalia 7% hiyo ambayo tunapoteza ni takriban milioni karibu 3 ama 4 ambazo zinapotea kila mwezi. Na so kama tungeweza kupunguza hizo tutapata kama milioni 4 zaidi kila mwezi, na unaona kwa mwaka itakuwa ni takriban milioni kama 50.
What is very important, as I said earlier on, is to identify the key issues that leads to non-revenue order. Most of it is old infrastructure that is not really very durable. It's old, keeps on bursting and so on and so forth. We even have asbestos, which is very dangerous. And therefore, we are supporting actually the WSPs through infrastructural support. We've done that since Her Excellency came into being. Every financial year, we put in some money to these companies, of course on request and on consideration. Some of it is to extend their pipeline, some of it is to replace the old infrastructure, and I think that is also a targeted way of bringing the non-revenue water down.
Na tugithii na mbere riboti yakorwo ikihituka hau ni ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu ni ikoretwo ikibanga mubango wa kunina tabarĩra cia mai maria makoretwo makihuthika hatari marihi. Ni kugite na hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca kumana na tabarĩra ino na rekurikanite ta non-revenue water county ni ya Embu. Ndeto ino ihithuritio ni mwandiki munene county ni yo Amiruria akiaria na andiki ya mohoro hindi ya gikaro kigie mai tauni-ini ya Embu na mucemanio uria ukurehete hamwe atongoria matiganite kuma county 10 niguo gukorwo makiaririria uria megukorwo makinyihanyihia hathara ya mai. Na iyo riboti niyo igukorwo igituithiraniria thiini wa Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe ni tondu wa maya na mangi maingi ukunyitana hamwe na ithu cia ndawega thaa 3 cia utuku tukorwo tugikurehera o ta uria meguthii na mbere na gukinyira metha itu ya mohoro gatho cia mwanya ni tondu wa kunyitanira hamwe na ithu na gutuyokera mathaa maku kumenyithia uria bururi watinda ukigariura na hamwe na riothe makoro manyitirire mwaro thiini wa studio gutigira no atomukira na njira igwete. Ni njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani na kimutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Sharon wa Gicohinga kwendithiria wiroreri mwega wa tabarĩra citu iria irathie na mbere. Tucemanie thaa 3.